Hi, this is John from Freedom Knee Scooter and Equipment Realm. Wanted today to talk about the Home Assist bed handle and how to assemble it. We feel like, and over the years, this has been one of our best-selling products due to the versatility and how stable it is, and it can be used on relatively any bed. With the exception of a hospital bed, it doesn't work as well on one of those, but it offers a great handle for a person to position themselves in bed, and also to, once they've got to a standing or sitting position, it gives them a handle to help them up, and then also once they're up, somewhere to stabilize yourself. So we're going to start out we've taken all the pieces out of the box. We've taken all the plastic off the tubes. They all come covered in plastic. This is the piece that's the actual handle. So we're going to attach the legs, each one of these. Right. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull this pin out, and then we're going to take this handle, the upright, and we've got different holes, so depending on how high you need it, you can, it's really not this hard. Just place that back through the hole, and then do the same thing on the other side by pulling the clip out. Putting the pin back through the hole. So the next step is to assemble the under mattress piece, and we've got buttons on both sides, and we've got holes here. So we're just going to get those started on both ends, and then we're going to push the little button on both sides and just slide it down until you hear the click. So the beauty of this particular piece of equipment versus a lot of the other products on the market is this is adjustable lengthwise. So depending on the width of your bed, like if you had something more than a twin, this will actually extend out further, giving more stability to the piece of equipment. So for example, showing it here on a twin size bed, you can see it reaches well beyond that. So just the longer that piece is, the more stable it's going to be. So this is how it would work. And again, this is a hospital bed, so it's not real compatible to this, but it gives you an idea. And then these can be adjusted so that they're hitting the floor, and that with the under mattress piece, it's very, very stable. So that was your home bed assist handle by Drive Medical. Very versatile. Again, we think everybody should have one. They're just so practical. It gives a person a good way to help position themselves in bed, and also help them up. And then when they get up, they have a place to grab, and they can really count on it. There's some other products on the market. We won't mention any names or anything, but we've found over the years that this one is the most economical and also the most stable product that we've come across. Thank you.